Got him.
Got him.
Got him.
Got him.
He's a good one. Yeah. I think we just need to change up our technique, dog. I think we just need to change our technique. I thought so, and then I was like, wait a minute, maybe we need to change our technique. So I changed our technique. That's a good old Sandy. Good old Sandy. Yeah, dog, I think we just need to change up our technique.